Hello and welcome to our 12th episode in this series, Think Abundance. As you know, in this series, we discuss anything that improves our experience of life, which adds to abundance in our life. We discuss books, we discuss thoughts, we discuss ideas, and we have been doing this since last 11 weeks. This is the 12th week in a row that we have been discussing different subjects that move us in the forward direction in our life, right? I hope you are enjoying this video series and you are learning something in this series, and you are also using it in your life to move forward. If you are enjoying it, then please do share these videos on your social media. Do subscribe to my channel. That really keeps me motivated and bringing you more and more stuff every week. So that's my motivation. Please do comment if you need any special information, anything that you want me to cover. All that you can express yourself in the comments. So coming to the 12th episode of today, the episode is on the shortest formula for success. Many times we find the concept of success as something which is a big thing, a difficult thing, something which is elusive for most of the people. The conditioning is such that most people cannot be successful in their life, and you have to be lucky, you have to be a skilled person, you have to be a very dedicated, you have to be very committed, you have to be a genius kind of a person if you want to ultimately succeed. That is what the whole conversation happens in the domain of success. And success is something which is not for everyone. Success is something which is not possible in each and everyone's life. Unfortunately, this is not true. Today we are discussing a very simple formula for success. We are going to see that this formula which we are going to discuss is going to work for each one of you. You don't have to be a genius, you don't need any kind of commitment, you don't need any kind of special God gifted skills, you don't have to be lucky and all that. You don't need absolutely nothing. You need, right? So what do you need and what is the formula? Yes, we'll see. Before that, let me give you the reference from where this formula I am getting. This formula is from the book The Science of Getting Rich. It is one of the best books written on the subject of money or the subject of life. It is by the author Wallace T. Wattles, and if I'm not wrong, this book is written more than 75-80 years ago. And in one of its chapters, this book talks about what is the formula for success. So initially, I'm going to read out verbatim from the book what the book says, and then we'll discuss more on that. It says that in order to succeed, now I quote the author, it is really not the number of things that you do, but the efficiency of each separate action that counts. Every act in itself is either efficient or inefficient, right? So here the author is defining that it is the single act that you perform which is efficient or inefficient, right? So every inefficient act is a failure. This is from the book now. Every inefficient act is a failure, and if you spend your life doing inefficient acts, your whole life will be a failure. The more things you do, the worse for you if all your acts are inefficient ones. That is what the author says. So the crux of the matter is we need to focus on the small acts that we do, not the bigger things, right? The very small act, a simple act of having food, a simple act of doing your small work, a simple act of doing any single small thing that you do, even sleeping in the night, exercising and all that, simple acts, right? Now I again quote from the book. On the other hand, every efficient act is a success in itself. And if every act of your life is an efficient one, your whole life must be a success, right? So the cause, again I quote from the book now, the cause of failure is doing too many things in an inefficient manner and not doing enough things in an efficient manner. So it is so simple. Here the formula for success is just do the job at your hand completely, efficiently and successfully. Complete the job in all respects. Do the job the way it is meant to be done. That is where we need to be focusing. Then after that job is done, take up the next job, next task, whatever it may be, and do it completely. And just keep doing that. Just follow that process and you will have a list of jobs that you have completed efficiently. And if you started in the morning and ended up in the evening and did every single activity efficiently, your whole day was an efficient day. Logically, that is what will be seen, right? Now, many times it is found that we don't focus as much on the small acts of life, right? That is the problem. So here the author says that the cause of failure is doing too many things in an inefficient manner and not doing enough things in an efficient manner. Now I quote again from the book. You will see that it is a self-evident proposition that if you do not do any inefficient acts and if you do a sufficient number of efficient acts, you will become rich. If it is possible for you to make each act an efficient one, which is, I think, possible, it is much easier to do if you break down every activity in small acts. So I quote again from the book, if it is possible for you to make each act an efficient one, you see again that the getting of riches is reduced to an exact science like mathematics. It is only a series of efficient acts that you do one after another, right? So it is so simple. This according to me is the shortest formula for success. It cannot get simpler than this, right? Now here another sentence from the book I will quote, and that will sum up the whole conversation that we have been having so far, right? So here the author says that every day is either a successful day or a day of failure, and it is the successful days which get you what you want. If every day is a failure, you can never get rich. If every day is a success, you cannot help but get rich. So simple, right? So the formula, shortest formula for success is just focus on every single act that you do and make it an efficient one. Complete the job at hand. Don't let your energy dissipate into too many things. Just take one thing, complete it. Just take the next one, complete it. If you do efficient acts all throughout your day, then you have a successful day. Then you replicate that whole thing into a successful week, and then you replicate that into a month, so you have a successful month and a successful year and a successful decade, and eventually this is what we call as successful life, right? So it is so simple. It all starts with that small act, and we need to focus on that act. That is where the power lies. So my friends, this is what I wanted to share with you in today's episode. I hope you got the crux of the matter, and I hope you appreciate that if you really managed your life in such a manner, taking one act at a time, completing it with full efficiency, no one can stop us from being successful in our areas of endeavor. So this is it for today. If you got value from this, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Please also do share this video with your friends and family. Share it on your social media. That will give me more motivation to bring more and more such stuff in future. That's all for now. Bye bye. Take care and have an abundant life.